Hello. We had several issues with our previous Wi-Fi solution due to the fact that we have a large old house with thick walls and also several steel beams as a result of extensions that have been done over the years. As a result of this, we're experiencing a very intermittent Wi-Fi signal throughout the house and some black spots where really there was no signal at all, despite us having a really strong signal actually coming into the house itself. We've also had a large family living with us during the pandemic, with several of us working from home and also some younger children that are streaming video games as well. And this has just caused a huge amount of frustration for us. So we decided we needed to find a better solution. We searched online and we found Wi-Fi Heros along with a couple of other companies as well. We asked them to come in and do an inspection of the house and recommend a solution for us, which they did very quickly. And we liked the sound of the technical proposal that Wi-Fi Solutions put to us, and also the quote, which was very competitive and cheaper than the alternatives that we were looking at as well. The initial inspection actually identified that we had over 50 devices hanging off of our network, and also found the same sort of signal issues that we were experiencing ourselves, which was quite pleasing to hear. We therefore arranged to go ahead with the installation, which was arranged quickly and went very smoothly as well. The staff that came on site were very friendly, very respectful of the pandemic circumstances and also our house. The installation itself, the cabling has all been run very discreetly around the house, and most of the devices are actually hidden either in cupboards or actually in the loft as well. So there's very little that's actually visible to the naked eye. We now have, as a result of that, a very strong signal throughout our house and the garden, and reaching into an office as well that we have in the garden itself. No issues at all with that signal dropping out, no buffering at all when we're watching streaming videos or television in the evenings. And also video conferencing during the day has no interruptions. So for us, it's been an excellent result. We're really pleased with Wi-Fi Heros, the service that they've provided, and the ongoing support that they've offered us as well. So I have no issue in recommending Wi-Fi Heros to anyone who was experiencing the same sort of problems as we were. Thank you.